Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft Destination Mode as a driver. To use a Lyft Destination Mode as a driver, you'll have to follow these simple steps. So first of all, what you have to do is you need to go and log into your Lyft. Then you need to go to the driver mode. Since I do not have that account, so I cannot show you the procedure. Likewise, you need to go to the drivers and tap the arrow in the top right corner of the screen. Then you need to select add destination mode, then enter your destination by start, then tap on start driving. Now Lyft will alert you if you've matched with a ride along the way. You can use destination mode twice per day. Now destination mode has two filters, that is arrive on time and head to the destination. So you could go ahead and use your filter to control the ride you receive. So go ahead and tap on go online, tap the filter icon in the bottom right corner, tap driving preferences, and under location filter choose any available filter. You could go ahead and activate a location filter anywhere Lyft is available. It'll automatically go offline if you don't receive a request within 30 minutes. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft Destination as a driver. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.